In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lesson using the Nearpod add-on in Google Slides. This process is straightforward and perfect for educators looking to enhance their teaching materials with interactive elements. Let's dive in and walk through each step together, ensuring you come away with a clear understanding of how to integrate this powerful tool into your lessons. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides. If you haven't done so already, open your preferred web browser and simply type in the URL for Google Slides. Once there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, use your existing credentials to gain access. This is important as it allows you to save your work and access your slides from any device. Now, once you're signed in, head to the Google Slides homepage. From here, you have the option to open a new presentation. You can either start with a blank presentation or select a template that suits your needs. For the sake of this tutorial, launching a blank slate might be more beneficial, as it allows you to fully customize your content without any pre-existing constraints. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Extensions. This is where we'll access the necessary tools to integrate Nearpod. After clicking Extensions, a drop-down menu will appear and you're going to select Nearpod from this list. It's a polished platform that really does make your presentations more engaging. Now that you've clicked on Nearpod, another option will appear that says Open Nearpod. Select it and you'll be prompted to sign into your Nearpod account. Make sure you have your login details handy, or if you're new to Nearpod, sign up using your preferred method. With Nearpod now open within your Google Slides, you can begin exploring the fantastic range of interactive features available. Add elements such as quizzes, polls and videos directly into your slides to make lessons more participative and fun. These features are designed to help your students stay engaged and offer a more dynamic learning experience. Remember, while these steps may begin with navigating to Google Slides, the focus remains on enhancing educational resources with interactive content via Nearpod. This combination not only pulls students into the learning process, but also allows educators to gather useful insights from the interactive elements. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you're now equipped to create engaging and interactive lessons that can capture the attention of your students and make learning a more immersive experience. Don't forget to save your presentation, and when you're ready, you can share it with your students directly through Google Slides or Nearpod. Happy teaching!